You wouldn't like it when he's angry! Oh my gosh, that scared me so badly. Ah, is this supposed to be a horror map? Previously on Diversity 2. I can't even do the training. Okay, this one seems to have multiple pathways to choose from, which I guess I like. Oh wow, I completed that first time through. We all have talents in life. Parkour is not one of mine. What? I did it. Okay. Evil shaped thingies that were moved. Oh gosh. Oh, come on, I've been so good at this before. Okay, why do I suck at this for some reason now? Why? What the heck? Why can I not? Let's try a 360 spin on this. Okay. Shaking out hands. Taking deep breath. Really? Wow. See, I told you it's the secret. Okay, run back all this long way. I'll be back at the next parkour challenge. See you in the future. Okay, I'm back. Not too long of a wait later. And I'm doing speed next. Guess I fall down here. You have 15 seconds to reach the end. If you die during the speed run, you will be sent back here. Whoa. Oh. Okay. Oh gosh. Ow, it's so painful. Okay. No, 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 no! It like... okay. What the... Yeah! Okay, unleash the rage. Really? What the... No! Oh my... Oh, so you only get speed for 15 seconds. Aw, gosh darn it. This is like Rage Parkour, except faster. What the? No! No! Gosh darn it. I hate you. Map creators. Okay, I take that back. I'm sorry. I said in a moment of anger. I did not really mean it. I think your map is really excellent, except possibly for the parkour. It could do without the parkour. Oh gosh, that was amazing. Once again, I cannot press the button. Okay, shake out hands. I was gonna sing a song, but I don't want to sing one that's like copyrighted. Okay, cool. Oh gosh, I'm stuck. Okay, good thing there's a restart button there. Back to top. This one is complete. Okay, that leaves jump boost, I believe. I don't like you. Really, I don't like any of you. Parkour. Stupid parkour things. I think my favorite so far was escape. Gotta say that. Oh dear lord, what is this? Oh. Oh gosh. I have not done any jump boost parkour before. I can say that it is significantly nicer to all other forms of parkour. I feel like the bunny in that picture, although that bunny is not as cute as a real bunny, I know from experience. Do I do something once I'm here? Oh. There we go. Get my jump boost back. Oh, so it opened up here too? Cool. Oh gosh. Okay, so I've gotta go. Oh gosh. Okay, this one is... Darn it! Why did I say jump boost parkour was so much better? I jinxed it. I did. I really did. Okay. Oh gosh. Alright, I'll be back once I figure this out, I believe. How the heck do you do this? Okay, apparently like that. How many more are of these? Okay. Jump. Nope. Jump. Nope. Jump. Nope. Jump. Oh gosh. You have to get like right to the edge. And then jump. Oh, okay. That's actually an easy way to do it. Never mind. I don't think I will cut. Because if you go... Oh, no. If you go right to the edge. Like that. And then jump, go out, and then go out. Okay, that's better. Okay, I can do this now. Wait, okay, there's just one more. Cool. Alright, where's the button this time? Aha! Oh dear goodness. If there is a God. Okay, this stuff is evil. How do you go through this stupid thing? Okay, I'm gonna go in this corner. Can I just... no, that would be too easy. I wish one of the corners had... How do you... Oh gosh. Okay. The middle is not sacred ground. What? I can't even... Okay, maybe it's this whole thing again. Nope. Why can I not do this? Okay, so if I do this... Jump up. No. Okay, so do jump, left. No! Okay, I'll be back when I figure this out. See you in the I do believe I figured it out, and I do believe I cut off my voice on that last, see you in the future type thing. So, I do apologize if that did happen, and I do believe that I figured it out. Okay, so you stand on the corner, and then go up into the wall. At least, that's the way I found to do it. Where's the button? Okay, let's go right up next to it. There. Oh gosh. That's a long fall. Is there one that's a shorter distance? Yeah, I think that one's a shorter distance. This is like dropper and parkour combined. Oh gosh, dang it. Oh. Okay. Don't jump unless you absolutely must. Okay, where's the next one? No! Okay, I hate this parkour section. I hope that this is the last parkour challenge. Okay, the next highest one is this one. No. Huh. Okay. Then the next highest one is where? Up there? Huh. Of course, I have to hit the button now. Oh gosh, I'm so going to hate this. Oh, thank goodness I pressed it. We're not done yet. I wish we could be done. Okay, I really failed that. Just land in the middle. Okay, good. No! Okay, I can do this. Oh, whoa. Okay, let's not move. I do believe I completed it. Right? Yeah, cool. Ah, don't die. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Woo! Parkour completed. Oh gosh. Yep, I should probably not have done that. Back to top. And I don't have super jump anymore, of course, because that would be stupid if I did. Why do I have an extremely bad feeling about where this leads? Oh, hopefully this just has the wool. Right? Ah! Okay, all the parkour challenges, right? And lots of lava underneath it. Checkpoint. The parkour to end all parkours? I don't get it. What is this supposed to be? There's green parkour. do I go up from here? Yeah. I'm climbing the tower because the red wool is at the top of the tower, isn't it? Okay, this type of parkour I think I can do. Please be red wool here. Or no, pink. Technically, I guess. Thank you. Okay, that one I deserve. I completed. I'm proud of myself. I completed all that parkour except one. Wow. I just love diversity. I'm just gonna say that now. Arena or trivia? Let's do trivia. Let's be consistent in order. My favorite one so far has been Escape, as I said. Whoa. Press the button, I guess. Welcome to the trivia branch. I'm gonna get my question voice on. Each question will be presented from the center button in the room. Walk through the door of the answer you believe is correct. If you're wrong, though, there will be consequences. Do you understand? Yes? No? I don't get it. Questions? I hate you. Okay, yes, I do understand. Oh, goody, you do understand. I'm gonna be really annoying. Should I write this? Oh, no, that's question one. I was wondering if I should, like, write the one down. I'm gonna probably use my announcer voice for all of this. Number 1. Minecraft is a sandbox name that mainly consists of what? Assassinating Templars, stealing cars and taking over the city, mining and crafting, gliding around Arkham City ninja style. I think that one's Assassin's Creed. Maybe. I'm not familiar with most of these games. And then I think this one is, it's the car one. Okay, that's gonna bug me. This one's Batman, something Batman, I think. I know it's this answer, but what is this one? Never mind. I'd be concerned if you didn't know that one. Yeah, I would be concerned too. What was the first known title for the game we have come to love called Minecraft? Cave game, Mine-Craft, Survival Test, or Untitled Project? Cave game. In May 2009, Marcus Pearson posted gameplay footage of Minecraft under the name Cave Game Tech Test. The first game type created for Minecraft is known as Creative, where types can be easily obtained without any work. Which of these is not available in the Creative menu? Cooked fish, Firework Rocket, Nether Brick, or Nether Star? Firework Rocket. For whatever reason, the Firework Rocket is not in the Creative menu. You have to either craft it or use commands to gain it. Question 4. Another game type is called Survival, where items must be obtained by searching the world and crafting. Which of these items does not generate naturally in the world and instead must be crafted? Flower pot, iron door, snow block, or piston? I'm gonna go with snow block, because iron door you can find in strongholds, flower pot spawn in witch huts, and pistons can be found in jungle temples. Incorrect. Snow blocks are naturally generated in the Ice Plains Spikes biome. Find the button or die to return to the branch. Find the button. Ah. I guess I'll go with flower pot, even though they can be found in witches' huts. Incorrect. Flower pots can generate in witch huts. Find the button or die to return to the next branch. Oh wow, that is way cool how they build this, little structure to give you pain and punishment for not finding it. Oh. Iron doors generate in its pistons? Although sticky pistons are generated in jungle temples, regular pistons still must be crafted. Ah, so sticky pistons are found. Okay. Number 5. Minecraft consists of many biomes, or regions of the world that change geographical structure and vegetation. Which of these is not a biome? Cold beach, deep ocean, hell, or mountains? Cold beach, I think? Oh, gosh. Incorrect. Press F3 or view the debug screen, and you can see cold beach is a biome. Find the button or die to return to the branch. Oh, gosh, I'm gonna die. I don't want to die. I love my life. Oh gosh, I actually lived. Hell is not a biome, it's nether? Incorrect. There is definitely a biome called hell. Do I find the button here? restart this. Am I gonna break the game? Welcome to hell. Thank you. Yeah, I'm thinking that I just need to go back through the portal. Find the button there. Excuse me, button. I'd like to go back to the real world, please. Oh gosh. Just burn alive. It's taking a while. It's extreme hills, not mountains. Oh gosh. There's no biome called mountains. Mountains generated are typically part of the extreme hills biome. Number 6. The 1.7 update introduced quite a few new flowers to Minecraft, some of which with a 2-block height. Which of these is the tallest? Allium, blue orchid, oxeye daisy, or peony? I think it's the peony. Flowers that are 2 blocks high are sunflower, lilac, rosebush, and peony. Aha! Number 7. One way to deal damage to mobs is using gravity. Which of these mobs cannot be hurt by falling? Silverfish, snow golem, witch, or wolf? Wolves can be hurt, I know that. And silverfish can be hurt, I know that. So it's snow golems or witches. I'm thinking witches can be hurt. Incorrect. Witches are tough, but they will take fall damage. Oh gosh! Ah! That is the most annoying thing ever. Oh gosh, they follow you. I'm sorry! I'm sorry, okay? Oh gosh. I'm responsible for so many deaths. Oh gosh, no, I'm sorry. I don't really hate you that bad, witches. Oh gosh, I'm killing so many people, so many innocent people. Snow golem. Chickens, golems, ocelots, and magma cubes will not take damage from any height if they fall. I'm so sorry. Oh gosh. Number 8. Like most mobs, players can die if they drop from a high enough area. My gosh. What is the highest a player can fall without dying, and without armor or potion effects? 21 blocks, 22 blocks, 23 blocks, or 24 blocks? What's the question again? I'm gonna go 24 blocks. You think so, huh? Okay, let's test that theory. You're now at a 24 block height. Walk straight off. Oh gosh! No, can't hit the button. Oh, and not die. I'm thinking like taking no damage, and I'm like, none of these. I'm guessing it's 22 blocks. Oh. I did it. Oh, what is the highest a player can die? Okay, 23 blocks. At both 22 and 23 blocks, the player will survive with half a heart, but 23 blocks is the highest. Now I know. Number 9. In a standard game of Minecraft, which of these enemies will deal the most damage to the player per hit? Blaze, Enderman, Wither, or Zombie Pigman? Do they mean like stacked with potion effects? Because then that would be Wither. Incorrect. The Wither is very powerful, but actually does not deal the most damage per hit. Oh gosh. I defeated the Wither in one hit. Cool. I think it's the Zombie Pigman. Believe it or not, Zombie Pigman will deal the most with a whopping 7.5 hearts per damage per hit on hard difficulty. 1/2 more than a Wither shot. Interesting. Question 10. One way to gain extra abilities is through the use of a beacon. Which of these abilities is displayed in the upper tier of the pyramid when viewing the beacon window? I kind of suck at trivia a little bit, I feel like, but I'm somewhat good at it. But the Zombie Pigman does it because he has a sword, I think. Anyway. The question was, which of these abilities is displayed in the upper tier of the pyramid? I think it's Jump Boost. Jump Boost, Resistance, Speed, or Strength? It's Jump Boost. Incorrect. Jump Boost appears in the second tier. Good luck with the Super Tetragon jump. More parkour? You have got to be kidding me. This is my map, not yours. It was my idea. I did all the work. No, I did it all. Oh. I regret my decision so badly. More jump boost parkour. Why? And there's no other way to get back. I think think you move faster in the open air than you do hugging the wall. I think that's my issue. Gosh, I hate you so badly. Parkour, not the map makers. I could hate them, but I'm choosing not to. Why is this called the Super Tarragon jump? Oh gosh, I'm not gonna make it. No! Alright, I'll be back when I have completed said stupid parkour. See you in the future. Alright, I am back. Ha. Okay. It's either resistance or strength. I know it's not speed. Let's go with resistance. Incorrect. Resistance appears in the third tier. Now please resist the urge to monkey with the poor salesman's trading post and return to the branch. Okay, I've got to check this out. TNT salesman. Caution, explosives do not touch. Yep, I shouldn't have done that. Uh-oh, that was a dud. You planned Bruce's death and made him angry. You wouldn't like it when he's angry! Oh my gosh, that scared me so badly. Is this supposed to be a horror map? I was just laughing at the... Oh gosh. I'm sorry. Okay, it's resistance then. Oh no. Did I just do that again? Okay, it's strength. Incorrect. Strength appears in the third tier down. Too bad your stomach wasn't strong. You'll have to puke it out in the toilet. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm not feeling too well. More parkour. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm not feeling well at all. Blech. Excuse me. Blech. Don't you feel all better now? Yeah, I do. It's speed. Really? Speed. The uppermost tier displays two attributes, speed and haste. Now I know. Number 11. Mining is a key factor in Minecraft, especially with obtaining resources. Of all the ores, emerald ore is the rarest mineral block in the game and is home to which specific biome? Extreme Hills. I know this one. Emerald ore is only generated in Extreme Hills biomes. Due to the nature of the generation algorithm, it may be found a short distance into adjacent biomes, but always within the same chunk as an Extreme Hills biome. I really just want to go back and press all of these buttons just to see the cool things that happen, because they're pretty funny, but I'm not going to do that. Number 12. There are a number of music discs within the game that can be played using a jukebox. What is the title of the broken music disc? Chirp, Ward, 11, or 13? It's unlucky 13. Incorrect. 13 is not the broken music disc. Round you go, but playing that disc might help you out. Oh gosh. 13 is just the creepy one. Ah! Help me! Oh, thanks. Okay, that was weird. It's 11 then. All Minecraft music tracks have been produced by C418, including The Haunting, 11. Number 13. Lava is one of two liquids in Minecraft, not including the block it lands on. If lava were to fall, how much distance will it continue to flow in the overworld? Flows 7 blocks in the nether, I believe. 5 blocks in the overworld? Incorrect. Read the question carefully. Ha. Lava is one of two liquids in Minecraft, not including the block it lands on. If lava were to fall, how much distance will it continue to flow in the overworld? 3. While water will travel 7 blocks after it lands, fallen lava will land and continue to travel a total of 3 additional blocks in any direction. Okay. Number 14. Another aspect of Minecraft is brewing, or potion making. Which ingredient is the base for thick potions? Nether wart, glowstone dust, sugar, or redstone dust? I think it's redstone. Incorrect. Redstone dust is the base for mundane potions. Follow the dust to return to the branch. Okay, I'm just sneaking here. This is so cool. Like, if I ever do a trivia game, I'm totally stealing this idea. I mean, seriously. taking the wrong answers and turning them into a challenge for doing it wrong. In Diversity 1, they kind of did that too, but they just had various painful punishments, I guess you could say. Aha! It's glowstone or sugar. I know it's not nether wart. Thick. Let's go with sugar. New glowstone. A thick potion is the base for creating a potion of weakness. You'll need a brewing stand, a bottle of water, and glowstone dust. Number 15. The crafting recipe for the arrow is 1 flint above 1 stick above 1 feather. Using a single item for each, how many arrows will this produce? I think it produces, it's 3 or 4. 3. Incorrect, but here are 3 arrows anyway. Ow! Okay, it's 4. If you don't have a skeleton grinder and you want to actually craft for arrows, the recipe will give you 4 arrows for each ingredient. Number 16. There are many different light sources in Minecraft. Which of these is the brightest? Active redstone ore, brewing stand, nether portal, or sunlight during thunderstorm?